Airports Authority of India has signed an MOU with Doon Library and Research Centre to strengthen and sustain the Flybrary initiative at Dehradun Airport. Under the collaboration, the airport will maintain a dedicated space for books and reading material, with the collection being regularly refreshed and diversified. ONC is giving 20 crore rupees under CSR to rebuild and restore around 650 to 700 schools damaged by the 2026 Assam floods. ONGC and Assam State Disaster Management Authority signed a Memorandum of Agreement on August 21, 2026 at Janta Bhavan, Dispur. SEC LCMD Shri Harish Duhan visited Dipka Mega Mine today and reviewed key operations with a clear focus on the roadmap to 60 million tons coal production. The visit highlights SECL's push for higher production while ensuring safety and continuity during the monsoon season. The Delhi Metro Rail Corporation has become the first metro organization in India to achieve ISO 55001-2024 certification for its asset management system for Mumbai Metro Line 3. The certification marks a shift from conventional maintenance to a strategic, risk-based and life cycle-oriented approach. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh on Saturday laid the foundation for 5 major expansion projects of Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers and Yantra India Limited in West Bengal. The ceremony was held at GRSE Bhavan in the presence of West Bengal Chief Minister Suvendu Adhikari and senior officials from the Ministry of Defence. Indian Railways has launched a special cleanliness drive across its network. It focuses on cleaning and disinfecting drinking water tanks and filtration systems to ensure that passengers at railroad stations have access to safe and clean drinking water at all times. Numaligarh Refinery Limited has signed a Memorandum of Agreement with CSIR, National Physical Laboratory, New Delhi, for a research project on converting calcined petroleum coke into synthetic graphite. The project aims to create higher value applications from petroleum coke produced by Numaligarh Refinery Limited. Container Corporation of India Limited has successfully dispatched the first double-stack long-haul container train from new JNPA to its multimodal logistics park at Varnama. This milestone comes after the commencement of Western Dedicated Freight Corridor operations at JNPA. An employee of SAIL's Durgapur Steel Plant has received a Government of India patent for an invention aimed at improving protection against earthquakes. Avijit Kumar Chanda, an employee of the plant's Sinter plant, developed the concept of a seismic protection unit inspired by the devastation caused by the 2001 Gujarat earthquake. State Bank of India has announced 2 important updates that affect different groups of customers. SBI cut bulk FD rates from August 15, 2026, but retail FDs, including 5 lakh rupees, remain unchanged. New BSBD cash withdrawal charges of 15 rupees plus GST start October 1, 2026. Full details and interest calculation.